Today we are learning about measures of central tendency. There are three main measures of central tendency. It's called mean, median, and mode. Mean. Mean is the average set of numbers that you can find it by adding all numbers together and dividing by how many numbers there are at that data set. So look at the example 1 numbers. Now I already put the ascending order. So add them together first. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 22 plus 8, 30. 30 plus 30. 30 plus 8 is 38. 38 plus 9 is 47. Now, let's divide it by how many numbers there are in our data set. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. Let's divide it by 47 by 9. That leads us to 5.22. So our mean is 5.22. Median. So let's find the middle number. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So our middle number is 2. Mode. Mode is a number that appears more frequently in our dataset. So let's find the mode. So you see 2 appears twice while 4 appears once, 2, 6 appears twice, 8 appears twice, and 9 only appears once. So 2 appears more than others. So our mode is 2. Moving to example 2. So make sure to put it in ascending order. So let's get a mean. Let's add them all together first. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 plus 5 is 23. 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. 29 plus 6, 35. 35 plus 7. 35 plus 7 is 4. 35 plus 7 is 42. 42 plus 8, 50. 50 plus 9 is 59. 59 plus 11 is 70. So 70. Now let's count how many numbers there are. So we can divide it by 7 by 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14. 70 divided by 40. I mean to say once. So we can divide it 70 with it. So 5. So our mean is 5. Now let's get the median. Median is the middle number of our data set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. And there is 5 and 5. So there is no between it since it's the same number. So our mode is 5 and our median is 5. Our median is 5. Sorry for the confusion. Our median is 5. Switching to mode. Mode is the number that appears more frequently in our dataset. So let's find the mode. You see 2 appears thrice and 5 appears thrice also, while other numbers only appears once. So that means our mode is 2 and 5. And that is also called binomial. And now we got the example of this. But if our mode or if our median is 5 and 6, let's switch this. 5 and 6, there's a difference, so let's get the middle of them. So it's 5.5. So if that happens, you get the middle of it. The middle 5 and 6, and then between 5 and 6 is 5.5. So thank you for watching.